Hey guys, Haas USMC here. So we've covered how to dig a tank ditch and lay a minefield. So next we're going to cover how they're going to breach a minefield. So this is how we do it. Alright? So the first thing that you're going to have here is a cat team. And the cat team is going to come up here to a position of that it can overlook the field here and lay down covering fire for this whole operation. So these guys are going to have 50 cals and Mark 19s and stuff. So they're going to advance up here and lay down covering fire over your minefield, which is going to be out this way. Then there's going to be the problem of your tank ditch. So what you're going to have is there's going to be a bulldozer that'll come up here or something, and they'll push dirt down in here. Well, actually, what they'll do first is the engineer team will come up, and this vehicle here has a rocket, and it'll launch a rocket over and cut a lane into the minefield. Well, once that lane is cut, these guys are going to move off to the side here. Then what's going to happen is that bulldozer is going to come in and fill in where it sees that burn mark from the explosives. Or where they could see. So they're going to push down dirt from here and fill this in. Now once that's full, they're going to come and either push this out, or they're going to try to pull it back, your tank berm, and they're going to pull it back and create a lane into where they're going. So you're going to have and then what's going to happen is a team of engineers is going to come up here. Actually, the first thing that's going to come through is a tank, and that tank will have some sort of mine clearing thing on there, and they'll be off to this side. Sometimes there's a second tank on this side, and what they'll do is they'll come through the berm here. Let's make sure that's all in frame. They'll come through the berm and they'll be clearing any mines that are left with their mine clearing devices that they have on the front. Then next is going to be your engineer team, which is going to mark a lane, and what they'll do is they'll put some stakes in here, and these guys will come through, and they'll be followed by more tanks and then infantry, and they're just going to power right through there. That engineer team is actually, this is like the suicide mission guys. These guys are going to be, there's going to be a guy running behind here putting cones or markers on the edge of the lane so that everybody knows how to drive through there. So that's how the American military breaches a tank ditch here and a berm and then your minefield. And so all these guys will progress through here and set up positions on this side. The engineers are going to hide out over here. They'll come out this way. These guys will come up this way, and the infantry will all come through here in their vehicles and pile out, and then the cat teams will come up last through the lane. Once they get through the minefield, they'll start spreading out like this and assaulting into the enemy position. So thanks for watching, guys. Haas USMC out.